lot of you have asked us to suggest best TWS in the comment section, so we thought that it's time for a buying guide. Yes, last year particularly saw a lot of action in the price 10,000 subcategory. Google launched a rare product in India. OnePlus Buds Pro just topped the game and Nothing's entry made a lot of buzz. So if you are looking for earbuds under rupees 10,000, here are our top picks. You are watching Fiiber, this is Simran and let's roll. But a disclaimer up top that all these picks are not in a particular list. They tick different boxes. So let's start. At rupees 9,990, OnePlus Buds Pro is a solid option. Now they are by far the best audio offering from OnePlus. The design may remind you of the OG AirPods Pro, but you pay half of what you will be paying for the Apple TWS. OnePlus Buds Pro pack plenty of features including warp charge support, water resistant certification and wireless charging support. They come with active noise cancellation. It works well and users can choose between 3 modes of noise cancellation: regular, smart and max. The only area where the OnePlus Buds Pro let us down is their audio quality. People were often complaining about voice cracking or noticeable muddiness during the calls. The Sony WFXB700, which are priced at rupees 7,700, are a part of Sony's extra bass lineup. Now they promise 18 hours of battery life including the charging case. The aim of these earbuds are to target the masses and bring Sony's extra bass signature, which in turn enhances the low end of the audio spectrum. Talking about its design, the ergonomic tri-hole structure helps to fit the headphones as per the ear shape and fix the earbuds position. The TWS come with noise cancellation, waterproof, stable Bluetooth connection, voice assistance, latest Bluetooth version and low latency. The earphones deliver extremely clear voice quality and one can pick up calls using both or the single earbud. They also come with IPX4 rating to water resistant. The most striking feature of the Nothing Ear One TWS is its transparent design. You won't find this design in the entire TWS crowd because no other TWS features this unique design, and this makes Nothing Ear One stand out. Not just the earbuds, but the charging case is also transparent for the most part, which means you can see both the earbuds are being charged in the transparent case. The build feels solid and the charging case also comes with fast charging as well as wireless charging support. The output for the music is balanced and users can adjust it according to the dedicated mobile app by their liking. The vocals are crisp while the bass is apt. There is no overkill and that's what we loved. Noise cancellation works well and modes like light and maximum are suitable for different locations. Nothing Ear One comes with great battery life as well, and you can buy them in the limited black color edition as well. Talking about call quality, one pair of earbuds that stands out is the Jabra Le3. They come with 6mm dynamic drivers, 28 hours of battery life, IP55 rating and cost rupees 6,999. Now they may look similar to Elite 7, Elite 7 Pro and Elite 3, while they lack the stem design and come in a triangular shape with the elbow pointed downwards. The Jabra Le3 can be paired with the Sound Plus app that would let the users choose the sound according to their taste. If you want to listen the bass heavy music, you could opt for the bass boost option. You could also choose the neutral and treble boost option to suit your taste. Although Jabra Le3 provides value for money, but there are certain areas it lacks, such as it does not come with active noise cancellation, multi-point support. It also does not feature the auto pause. The case has a low quality build, so the earbuds don't look as premium as the other Jabra earbuds. You get the Pixel Buds A series for rupees 9,999 and they come in an egg-shaped charging case. Now the buds also offer a stabilizer arc which comes with a flush to ear design that actually helps you to wear or remove your mask comfortably even when the buds are plugged into your ear. They pack 12mm dynamic drivers are designed for people who love the balanced output. The earbuds clearly lack bass, but the mid and highs are nice. Pixel Buds A series have an IPX4 rating for water and sweat resistant, but lack ANC, and that's where I feel it lags again. Call quality is good and the battery life is decent as well. The Google Pixel A series is a balanced package for anyone who is looking for a compact, true wireless earphones. While it comes with a solid design, it also offers Google's integration of hands-free Google Assistant. So that was all about the 5 TWS options you get under ₹10,000. While this category or while this range is growing every day, this was our top picks. I will meet you next time in another amazing video. Till then, write your views in the comment section and bye-bye.